Welcome. This video will give a quick overview of the financial bank management simulation we developed. In the simulation, up-and-coming bankers will compete against their peers in a classroom setting to get a taste of what it's like to run a bank in a competitive marketplace. It is fun to play and is an excellent team-building exercise, as students participate in the pricing process in accordance with their bank's strategy. This simplified simulation is not meant to replicate all the inner workings of a real bank, but rather to get a grip on the principles involved in running it. The simulation fits in with a blended learning environment approach, where students learn the theoretical concepts and get an opportunity to apply them in a simulated banking environment. Moreover, the simulated bank's data are made available in downloadable Excel sheets, thus allowing the students to perform calculations and to check the numbers on the dashboard. Teachers will value this feature to structure assignments and possibly also to give take-home assignments. I am currently logged in as a competing team, controlling one of the banks. A team ideally consists of 2 to 3 players, one keeping an eye on the relevant financial ratios, another on the assets side, and the third on the liabilities side. On my dashboard here, I can see the summary of our bank's performance. Now I could also change the language if I'd like, but we won't do that now. Here I can see the current simulation day. Here the Euribor and basis points, which the trainer can manipulate, and other indicators such as the net loan portfolio and total liabilities. There is a second ratio screen with more detailed performance indicators, such as economic capital. There is also a screen with the calculation of risk-weighted assets. Here in the marketplace, I can price potential loan demands that are in the market. Let's do that now. Logged in as another team, I can offer a competitive rate for the same loan. All rates are quoted in basis points relative to Euribor. Let's log in as the trainer to advance the simulation one day. The trainer can set the ratio between the elapsed time in days and the time in the classroom. For example, 1 day could equal 2 minutes. Time can also be stopped by the trainer, and they can go backwards or forwards in time. Backwards to reveal mistakes and aim for better results. Forwards to give an opportunity to see the projected balance sheet. If we go back to the team that actually won the loan, we will see that it has an effect on our balance sheet. It has been added to the assets. We can see other types of transaction details as well, such as interbank funding, interbank lending, and the central bank advance. More details can be seen in our portfolio. We could also download these data to Excel. Each change, each action will be reflected in the financial statements and the ratios. Other details can be seen in the income statement. As interest rates are calculated on the basis of continuous accrual, income and expenses will propagate to the income statement on a daily basis. As an admin, we can view the player statistics to get an overview of the performance of each team. The Stachanov Financial Bank Management Simulation proposes an exciting learning environment in which financial theory can be applied and tested hands-on in a simulated environment. Students are encouraged to replicate calculations using their own bank's data. The goal of the simulation is to maintain and grow a profitable bank that meets all regulatory requirements and the internal risk limits and objectives. And last but not least, it's fun to play.